Welcome, my name is a Vivo Y70 and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode. And to get started, simply hold the power key, select power off and wait for the device to shut off. And once that happens, you want to hold the power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. This will take you to fast boot mode, from which point you can reboot to recovery mode by going down with volume keys, pressing power key to confirm that, and simply give it a second. And there we go, we're now in the recovery mode. So that is how you enter it, and to leave it, simply tap on restart, OK, and this will go back to Android. And there we go, as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.